Try or not try?
Yes or no, innit?
It's like the ball. I'll finish the season with it, I try. We'll do it for you.
If you want to go back, it's not a YouTube video, is it? Yeah.
What ball is on?
Gai atgoffa pob i wneud siŵr bod nhw yn mynd a bod yn athro hefyd nhw. Mae'n dipyn o blwch wedi gael i roi i mewn yn y tent. Can I just remind everybody to take all their belongings with them today? A few things have been handed in to the tent. If you have lost anything, please stop on your way out. Diolch yn fawr. Felly ar y cae rhif 1 rwan, mae gennym ni ffeinal pla. Ysgol Bro Morgannwg yn erbyn Cwm Rymni, Poblog Bechgyn. We've got the plate final on pitch number 1 now. Bro Morgannwg against Cwm Rymni. Good luck to both teams.
See how many can get rid of the barriers.
Might be a dual shield. The schools. Dual shield.
No, I'm not joking.
I don't know.
No, I love it. I think it's amazing. Waste time.
Da iawn, cais a trosiad yma i Ysgol Cwm Rymni.
To be fair, it'd be helpful, yeah. No, yeah, he's running touch like that.
Work this morning.
Sorry, Chris, you don't need to explain sometimes.
I know. Holding the wrong hand. Yeah.
No. Oh yeah, maybe I said you were around.
Woodies.
It's on the back of the jersey. Oh, he's like us here. Oh, I thought you could do it. stop on the side of the lake. Right, nah, so
Well, that TV was like a kid. Yeah.
the thing with us will be really, they'll play 1 year ago and next game.
Cais a trosiad arall I Cwm Rymni.
You driving more, is it? The linesman clearly trying to.
He's used to people standing in.
Clearly trying to position himself.
It's fine if a minute's going to knock me over and he's going to run into you.
Mate, there's our names in the book, isn't it?
That's why I'm bringing Goldie around. I think they stay on. They have to. I think they got knocked out. And on Thursday, I'm off, so I'm going to go for it. Like 6 minute off, because I'm driving the bus. I'm already.
I want to get home as well, but don't do that. No danger of that.
Just when they score a try, just count it from one
Are we
side.
going straight after this now then, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, God, fine.
Cais a trosiad I Bro Morgannwg.
Come on, ni sy'n derbyn. Boys, ni sy'n derbyn.
After stealing Richard's game and then coming off and then goes straight back.
Yeah, shocking. He said, oh, I had Richard's game, anybody else would have done doors, and then Chris, didn't he?
What's that?
He had Richard's game, and then he done the upper final as well. Yeah,
Patrick
jumped on it,
said
jumped
semi,
on it.
honestly, wasn't quite good in the final.
Oh, you went to tomorrow, right? Tomorrow,
Come on,
young ones tomorrow?
So year sevens, and I don't think combine year sevens and year eights, so it's just year sevens.
Oh! Oh, nice.
That's you, right?
He probably got it, yeah.
I did one time. I had to yellow card somewhere. And they said, oh, but you got a yellow card. And I screwed my pocket. I was like, yeah. I was like, I can't get my pocket this time. Half time we went on, going to go to the toilet.
Dragons Cup yesterday. They could take my cards because you went straight there. It just said going off.
It was a yellow card, or they were right.
Get off.
Oh, it's alright. Well, I wasn't looking once, so I got in the wrong pocket. Pulled out a card.
Red.
Sorry, the yellow it is.
Oh, Dragons Cup, me, him and kids there, youngsters, semi-finals. Yeah, you know, man, Jerry really liked the around, man.
Oh, yeah, sure, yeah.
Got a copy of it. Me and him had nearly 500 games together. You got them all written down as well. Yeah.
Reece, lovely. Holding Cadwell outside the minute and
Well, you just know Johnny how long he's been around.
I don't think he's doing great. Shower
Paul was in the car, right? So screen open the window, they've got time to move, go out the window. When you get through the window, they've got cages, they get so Saturday, nipping away. You got roller stuff over there, pins out the roller stuff. You own one, you posted out the outside. We try it a lot.
It might be a case of you I've done a lot of the things I've done, which is my process.
Yeah. Try back what he did last minute of the game. Scored a try.
That's right,
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
I couldn't see it.
I agree with the linesman's decision.
Support the numbers.
No, he's 100%. He's not
See why? Huh? Yeah, he's 100% out.
Lads up,
I
lads.
don't feel like the coach has gone out. He's running into
Game nesa ar Caer Hyd 1 with final cwpan. The next game on pitch number 1 will be the cup final. There's going to be Ystolafera and erbyn Glantaf. Glantaf against Ystolafera. The next game on pitch number 1, cup final.
Get up then, Ben.
Ryan Young. Come on then, come on.
Only when you need to go.
Only when you're out wide, when you're in the middle, you don't really need you, do you? Yeah? In the middle, really. Just out wide. Yeah.
Donk.
He did, Ben.
You like it, I like it.
It's because you want to let him run the line in, isn't it? That's what it does. He tips the water around his cross. See, are you still coaching down there? Just you four youngsters as well.
Only you, I'm going to ask Colin to get out of the stars.
I did other ones.
Guess what?
It was,
You haven't
I
kicked off yet.
I reffed it at half time. I've seen Chris on his head.
You'll be running a line for me. Oh, for this fight thing.
To be fair,
One more, Stephen Morgan. Have you, is he any good?
I know this.
Is that because he don't play? One ring.
Let's go, chop a goal, huh? Ref, sub, please, ref.
I don't see a ground.
Ref,
I've
sub.
got to see if you nod or something.
Alex, George. Alex, in the green red.
Really shouted at him.
Pressure, Carl, pressure, Carl.
And if it does, it's just luck of the draw.
If I'm on your team, you throw to me next time.
On the confidence side, I think you got too close to the
You throw 5 and good.
I got cleaned out.
Minute and a half.
But when I was on the floor, the ball went off, somebody knocked it on. But I was laying on the floor. But I got up and played the game on. And they were like, oh, you missed a knock on. I said, it's on X. I can't take it all. I said, you can see it.
Come on, Logan.
And that's fine. I mean, accept that.
Help me, Colin. Cross the field. Some of the Alex. Move the ball, Alex. Move the ball, Alex.
What do you want to do? Living up here,
Meeting. Alex, goal. Alex, goal. Okay.
I even said to them, I had 360 from it. For me, because no, I think they're more $26.19 I'm converted trying it. I'm not sure who to all I know is
Chubby, cross the field. Cross the field, son. Leave Tuel. Whoa. No, Jack. It's the last three reps.
oh, two, no?
Let's go!
Right. All right, Jack. Oh, no.
Did it carry on after? No way.
Llongyfarchiadau i'r dau tîm yn ffeinal y Plas, so Bro Morgannwg a Cwm Rymni, dau tîm yn chwarae yn anhygoel yma. Os ydych chi'n ofyn i chi dod draw i'r ardal gwobrwyo ar gyfer gwobrwyo os gwelwch yn dda, Well done to both teams who competed in the Plaid final, Bro Morgannwg and Cwm Rhymney. Very well played. If we can ask you to come over to the information tent for your presentation. Thank you.
Good show. Kiss the game, yeah. Oh, let's go.
They lost 26. They failed at that.
Felly,